Yo, what's up guys? I got another video for you this time. Like I promised, that I'm doing a video on how I clean my white sneakers. So this is my sneaker. As you can see, it's been getting pretty dirty. It's kind of and I mean, the best thing to do ultimately is once your sneakers get too dirty is you just buy a new pair. But I don't know about you, but I don't want to buy shoes like every month. So these particular white sneakers, I basically got these for 60 bucks. That's US, 60 bucks at Zara. And I mean, man, you can go to Brown's shoe store or other shoe stores and Harry Rosen, for example, and you'll pay like 500 bucks, 200 bucks for the same flippin' white sneakers, and they just get dirty. So today, what I'm gonna share with you is how I turn these into pearly white sneakers. And listen, I've seen some YouTube videos out there and they say, yeah, you can use a magic eraser, or you can use toothpaste, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, nail polish remover, Tide to Go pen, all these different products that you have to painstakingly use to clean your sneakers. But I have one product, one specific product, and look, I don't want to waste your time. So basically, I use this. And I'll show you how this basically just keeps your sneakers super clean. And we're talking like 5 minutes, maybe less of work. Just this, it's all you need right here. And a cloth, that's it. But I'll show you how it's done and then you'll see the before and after and you tell me what you think. All right guys, so here we go. I'm gonna start cleaning these sneakers and you'll see how quickly these turn into pearly white. So look, you want to spray generously on the sneakers. What I love about the spray is it gets in all these little nooks and crevices here, because that's where the shoes get the most dirty. And I'm going to do that to both sneakers. What I should have done is taken the laces out, but I'll do that after. Okay, so I took the laces out. Personally, you shouldn't bother try to whiten the laces. Just forget it. Buy a new pair of white laces. We're talking like $5, $2, whatever. Just worth it. So you'll see what the shoes will look like with the white laces. But I'm not even going to bother trying to clean these. So, but as you can see, this is what it looks like when you remove the laces. So I'm going to clean this off, and then, but you want to spray on that part of the sneaker as well. And again, they're all white shoes, so it doesn't really matter. And you want to let this soak. So you just spray this again. And again, be generous with it. And you want to get in the eyelets. Yes, I should be wearing gloves. I forgot to buy some gloves, but I'll just wash my hands, no big deal. Okay, so I'm gonna come back in a few minutes because you wanna let this sit. And I'm gonna come back with some new laces. I'm gonna buy some right now. And then that'll have enough time for this bleach to just really sit in and clean these shoes. Hey, I'm back. So, these are the original dirty laces. And these are the new ones, and look at the difference in the color. See what I mean? It's just better to buy new laces for a couple bucks. So I'll get cleaning here, and you'll see how this turns out. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and look at these shoes. Pearly white sneakers, see? Look at that, man. Don't these look awesome? There you go. So that's all you need. All you need is some bleach cleaner like this, and you have your pearly white sneakers. And don't forget, buy new laces. Don't bother trying to clean those laces, just buy some new ones. And if your sneakers get really dirty, then just buy some new sneakers, go to Zara, something like that. These white sneakers will just make your outfit. You can wear a blazer, a suit, jeans, and women love that on men. But you don't need to spend a fortune on white sneakers. So hope you like this video. Let me know what you think. And if you'd like me to do more videos like this and fashion tips, then leave a comment. Thanks, guys.